Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video where today I'm going to be showing you how to improve your shooting form. This video was inspired by Gertis Cool 2. Make sure to check out his channel and subscribe because he has amazing videos and shorts on there. So, one of the first things you can do to improve your shooting skills is you want to get more angle out of your shot. And what I mean with more angle is kind of like shoot more like a bow and not in a straight line. Because when you shoot in a straight line, the chance of your ball getting into the hoop are lower than shooting at an angle. The second thing you can do to improve your shooting skills are getting that flick. And with a flick, I mean flicking my wrist. So yeah, when I flick the ball, it makes it turn faster and it goes higher, so I can shoot more accurate and I can get more buckets. The third and final thing you can do to improve your shooting skills are the way you hold your ball. As you can see, when I shoot, I hold the ball to the left to support the ball and hold my right hand on the middle of the ball, so I can flick my wrist and support the ball at the same time. This helps with shooting, so you have the same position every time you shoot, so you don't get all mixed up with different shooting positions. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If this improved your shooting, subscribe and comment down below. My shooting got a lot better. And yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.